This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Vscode versus Rider. We will explore their fundamental differences, helping you decide which tool best suits your development needs. Vscode, a popular choice, is known for its speed and flexibility. Rider, on the other hand, offers a comprehensive integrated development environment, especially powerful for NET projects. We will cover performance, features, cost, and community support to give you a clear picture. When it comes to performance, Vscode typically boasts quicker startup times and a lighter memory footprint. It's an excellent choice for quick edits or smaller projects, often using hundreds of megabytes of RAM. Rider, being a full IDE, can demand significantly more system resources, sometimes consuming several gigabytes of memory, particularly with complex solutions. This difference is crucial for developers working on less powerful machines or needing instant responsiveness. Regarding features, Vscode thrives on its vast marketplace, offering tens of thousands of extensions to customize your workflow. You can tailor it precisely to your needs. Rider, however, provides a rich set of integrated tools right from installation, making it incredibly powerful for specific ecosystems like .NET. Its refactoring capabilities and code analysis are top tier, offering a more cohesive experience for those dedicated to the Microsoft stack. Finally, let's talk about cost and community. Vscode is entirely free and open source, making it accessible to everyone. Its enormous global community contributes to a vibrant extension ecosystem and abundant online support. Rider operates on a subscription model, which provides access to professional support and regular updates. While its community is smaller, it is highly dedicated, often sharing advanced tips and tricks for maximizing productivity within the JetBrains environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.